The most well-known benefit of meditation is stress relief. Different forms of meditation have been used for literally thousands of years to quickly, and sometimes instantly, relieve and remove stress and anxiety. Those mental benefits may seem logically linked to a practice where you calm your mind. However, some benefits of meditation may surprise you, including the following 5 beneficial effects of meditation you just might not know about. And if you are watching Rich Flava for the first time, hit the subscribe and bell button to get all our updates. 1. Meditation makes the teen years livable. High school can be a very difficult time, not only for teenagers trying to get through it alive but for their parents as well. The teenage years can be difficult because the human body and mind are changing so rapidly. This can cause self-doubt, frustration, confusion and sometimes a sense that the whole world is out to get the teenager. Research from the Harvard Medical School shows that relaxation practices like meditation and deep breathing improved students' abilities to cope with hormonal mood swings, and the constant drama surrounding teen years. 2. Meditation can be better than medication for chronic pain. The Journal of Neuroscience reports on a study that shows you can save major money on prescription drug costs, while simultaneously relieving pain more effectively, with meditation. Pills often have bothersome and debilitating side effects. This is not true with meditation, that proved more effective than pain medication for chronic pain relief in that study. 3. Irritable bowel syndrome relief. IBS can be frustrating, inconvenient, painful and embarrassing. The answer may just be to meditate on a regular basis. Research in one study shows an 8-week practice of mindfulness for stress relief reduced IBS symptoms by an impressive 26.4%. 4. Meditation actually boosts your immune system. Your immune system is the complex group of processes in your body that fights infection and disease. Stress and anxiety play havoc with your immune system, and this means you're more likely to become sick or ill from any cause. Meditating regularly slows the production of stress hormones like cortisol, which naturally damage your immune system. 5. Improves fertility rates in women. Researchers are still not sure why this happens. However, there is an undeniably correlated presence of notably higher fertility rates in women who meditate regularly, than in those who do not. Don't forget to give us a thumb up and tell us what do you think in the comments section. For more info check the links in the description below. See you next video.